Why do 70% of data analysts swear by pivot tables for quick data analysis? Let's find out. First things first, open your Excel file and highlight your data range. Now head over to the Insert tab and click on Pivot Table. A new window pops up. Choose New Worksheet and hit OK. Boom. Your pivot table appears, On your right, you'll see the Pivot Table Fields pane. Drag your categories to rows and values to the Values box. Watch as your data magically organizes itself. Want to analyze further? Just drag more fields into rows, columns, or filters. Easy peasy. To spice things up, click on Value Field Settings to change your data summary, like switching from sum to average mark. Finally, format your pivot table to make it pop. Head to the Design tab and choose from a variety of styles. And voila! You've just turned a jumble of numbers into a clear, insightful report. Happy analyzing.